The topic today is about the fire masterclass winning the day before the sun rises. While the world sleeps, championships are built. What are you doing with your 4 a.m. every single morning? A quiet war takes place right on your nightstand. The alarm rings, cutting through the darkness, and you face a definitive choice. You can hit the snooze button, roll over, and sink back onto temporary comfort. Or you can pull back the covers, plant your feet on the cold floor, and claim the day before the sun even touches the horizon. True growth requires a deliberate sacrifice. It demands that you wake up with an unapologetic sense of purpose, consciously beating the temptation to take the easy, comfortable way out. Let's be honest with each other. Your biggest dreams, your deepest passions, and your highest goals deserve so much more than the leftover energy you have at the end of an exhausting day. You deserve your absolute best, your sharpest focus, and your freshness moments. That is the exact philosophy behind the Fire Masterclass. When you commit to waking up this early morning reading shapes your mindset in ways you cannot even imagine. This quiet and uninterrupted pages, pure wisdom, strategy, and resilience into your soul before the chaotic noise of the world takes over. For me, this profound stillness is not just a luxury, it's an absolute necessity. It prepares my mind and fortifies my spirit long before I stepped into my intense daily reality. Every single day, I manage bustling school library and teach brilliant, energetic secondary students at the new generation school. My daytime hours are completely packed with endless energy, constant questions, curriculum deadlines, and massive responsibilities. If I do not ground myself first, the chaos wins. But when I choose the early hours, quiet reflection, breathes clearly, you gain a strategic, unbreakable shield against daily stress. Intentional mornings eliminate daily chaos completely. You no longer just reach to life, you command it from very first second. Then, when the sun finally goes down and the rest of the world winds down to relax, my second shift begins. I spend my late nights studying complex coding languages, practicing Chinese characters, and mastering advanced AI tools. On paper, it sounds completely overwhelming. It sounds like a fast track to burnout. But when you enter your entire day in a disciplined, intentional morning, this demanding nighttime takes completely transform. They are no longer exhausting chores that drain your remaining battery. Instead, they become profound, deeply fulfilling daily acts of personal discipline and professional growth. You build an unstoppable momentum at dawn that carries you straight through the afternoon and fuels your late night studies. Every line of code written, every Chinese phrase spoken, and every AI prompt engineered becomes a brick in the foundation of the future you are actively building. You stop viewing hard work as a burden and start seeing it as a beautiful privilege. Look closely at your own life right now. What are you constantly putting off? What skills are you neglecting simply because you claim you do not have enough time in the day? The truth is, the time exists. It is right here, waiting for you, hidden elegantly in the quiet early hours of the morning. I challenge you to step directly into your own greatness starting tomorrow morning. Set the alarm with absolute convictions. Reject the seductive comfort of the warm blankets. Rise with fierce intention. Embrace the sacred quiet and design your own morning masterclass. You put it in work when absolutely no one was watching. As the timeless proverb reminds us, the early bird catches the worm. Wake up, claim your victory, and let's win tomorrow together.